Website right here is willing to pay you anywhere from, let's say, $10 to $20 over and over again, just like how you see here on the screen. You can just leave simple little reviews and they will pay you. Now it probably sound like one of the strangest thing ever, because when I saw it as well, I was saying, why would a company pay you money to leave reviews? So you can see over here, they have over 5 billion people on different various websites, and all you got to do is just write a simple review right here, because I know some of you probably use some of these tools that I'm going to share with you. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because you can make anywhere from like $10 to $20 over and over again consistently from this particular website. Now if you like videos like this about how to make money online, different ways, tips, tricks, and all that stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I always create a brand new video every time, so you're going to be the first one to know and you don't miss out on the newest and the latest method that I create. So you're going to get that bell notification. So let's rock and roll, and I'm going to explain to you everything, and I'm going to walk you through the process how this works. Now the website that I'm going to be talking about, the website is called G2.com. So what G2.com is a website that they're willing to pay you to start writing reviews. Now they have different softwares. They have like sales, they got marketing, they have analytics, collaborations, different type of things that you can leave reviews for. Now the services that they do provide is like business services, there's marketing, other services, professional, security, because some of you probably use some security things on your particular website. So they just want you to share reviews about the tools, the softwares, and the products that you have used. So there's a bunch of different things, and I'm going to go through the entire process and make it a little bit simple for you so you could see. Now, if you look over here, you will see that there's different, such as like ClickUp, there's Rike, there's Basecamp, there's Trello, Teamwork. I've used Trello before. Very good tool. Monday.com is a new thing that is coming out. I haven't used that as well. But I'm going to show you some different tools and softwares that you can do reviews for. As I said to you before, most of you probably wonder, so why did this company is going to pay us money to leave a reviews? Well, this company is working with a lot of other companies and corporations, and they want to find people who are doing reviews. Perfect example. Most times you're using an app on your phone, you're using Google app, and you'll see a pop-up that comes up to say, hey, rate this app. And most times you don't rate it because you just don't have the time, right? Majority of you don't rate it. Now this website is willing to go out there and outsource big companies and corporations that are looking specifically for people that will give them review. Now here's the thing. The companies are going to pay G2 a percentage or a good amount of money just to try to get people on their platform to leave them reviews. The more reviews that they have, the better it is for that particular company. So it's a win-win. So because this company has gotten a massive contract, they're willing to go out there and find people just like me and you who's looking for some extra money, who's looking for some easy money, and all they do is they will just find it and just promote it, and they will pay you money just by doing that. So let me show you how this thing works, like how simple it is, right? So if you scroll up here and you click on where it says join now, if you click on the Join Now tab, these are different ways how you can create an account. You can create one on LinkedIn, you can create one on Facebook, Google, and business. So these are the ones that I highly recommend. Most of you watching the video probably don't have a LinkedIn account, but you do have a Gmail account because you got YouTube. So you can sign up either with your Facebook or with your Gmail. Once you do that, you can click on where it says write a review. And once you click on the write a review, you'll see that they have softwares, there's services that they put to work. Now, here are some of the different niche that you can write a review for. Advertising, you can do marketing, you can do HR, you can do customer support, design, software, business operation. Now you get the idea. Now, let's say you want to do some review on media and communication, right? Perfect example. So, media and communication, once you click on it, this is going to be step number one. There's video conferencing, and these are some of the video conferencing that is known worldwide. Now, some of you probably know some of these, and some of you don't, and that's totally cool. Now, here's what you're going to do. You want to find the ones that you probably have used before. For me, I would go down to email campaign and I would just click on active campaign. I've used active campaign before. I could give a review on active campaign. Scroll down a little bit more. Here are some surveys. Have you used these surveys before? Yes or no? Probably not. Have you used any one of these? You could do that. Have you used TweetDeck? So you could sign up. Now, here's the deal. If you can find products in this particular field, I can guarantee you that they can find it because this company is willing to go out there and they will find different things. So let's say you can go to marketing. If you go to marketing, you see marketing tools and software again, right? Different thing. I've seen where there's Zoom on here. There's Smart Vault. I've used that before. You can find, I can tell you could find different things. Now, what if, all right, well, Andre, I'm on this website and I can't find anything that is worth leaving a review for. Okay, that's cool. Now, most of these companies and different things, they always have free software. They always have different things of, hey, sign up for a 7-day trial or 3 days or 14 days. You can sign up, you can use that platform for a little bit, and then you just cancel it. And then what you do is you're going to take the information of the user thing, and then you're going to sign up. So let me just walk you through the process. So here, where it says, I'm going to find that. I just saw it just now. Cloud content, not the cloud content. Let's go back up a little bit. So I'm going to show you. All right, Katra, right? Katra is kind of like a CRM. So you can click on Katra, and then what you want to do, you want to go up to the top and you want to click continue. Now, once you click continue, you want to, you can go on the review. Now, you can go on the review. So if you click on review, this is what these companies are saying. And this is what the people who are using the company are saying. As you can see, they've been featured in Forbes, Bloomberg, CIO, PC World, all that. Now, if I go back, you could share it on LinkedIn and you could finish. So you could search a product. Let's say we want to search for Zoom, right? Search Zoom. You have Zoom Scheduler. You have Zoom Charts. You could do that. Or you could do G Suite. G Suite probably gonna pop up. You have probably Aweber. There you go. You got Aweber. Aweber right there. You could use that. Let's go with Get Response. Get Response. There we go. Now let me see if I can find ClickFunnels. Look at that. See that? You could just write different reviews and you can make money over and over and over again. As I could tell you, this company is willing to pay you money just by doing that. So you could find different things. You could search with the different tools that you've used before, and you could sign up. I'm just going back, and it's not showing. So you once again, you could just join, fill out the step-by-step process. Once you do that, then you could start making money over and over again. So you can earn anywhere from, let's say, $10 to $20 by consistently leaving reviews on here. And then once you leave good reviews, then you're going to get paid. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to make this video for you so you can go out there and you can start making some money right away. So don't forget to like, subscribe, become a part of the family. If you want to see my #1 recommendation, I highly recommend the 15-day challenge. Just scroll down in my description, sign up for it, and then once you sign up, you can get started right away. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.